Well guys, today I'm in episode 2 of this bike, this quad build. And in the last episode we stopped right here. This is I'm about to mount up the engine and I'm customizing the engine seating. So guys, today we're gonna start from here guys. So without further ado, let's get into the tutorial guys.
Hello guys, this is Luben Johnson from Luben TV guys, and if you're new to my channel, this is what I do. I build bikes like BMX CUB, street CUB, trikes, cripple bike, dead bike, go-kart, quad, and many kinds of bikes guys. So if you want to build bike like this, you want to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel guys.
Okay guys, I'm here right now. I'm doing this exhaust. I'm customizing the exhaust of this quad. So this is the Honda CUB exhaust. I just cut off the handle, so I welding up right there, and then I joining up the pipe right like that. So I'm gonna blend it up with another exhaust to go that way. As you can see, the pieces of exhaust are cut right here. I'm gonna visit to go. I'm gonna blend it to go right there like that. Almost quad, because here in Nigeria you cannot get a quad exhaust. So all you wanna do, you wanna customize it yourself, guys. So that's gonna look pretty good, guys. So now let's do that. Okay, guys, and this is the exhaust. As you can see, this I customized the exhaust. But I'm not done yet, but that look pretty good guys. Here, look at this guys, this look pretty good. So now let's put up now the tank. We're going on the tank level right now. I'm gonna customize the tank also, and that's gonna look pretty good guys. And guys, I'm mounting up the exhaust. As you can see, it's just like that. Not done yet, but that looks pretty good. So guys, check out the episode 3 in the description, and don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel so you're gonna be notified every time I drop the next video.